If you are looking for a unique style, always up to date with the best, standing out wherever you go, this is the bike for you. Let's get to know the Fazer F15 Connected. This is the most complete and premium small street bike in its segment, the ideal companion for your day-to-day life in the city, with its 150 engine known for its durability and economy. With BlueFlex versatility and technology, every journey becomes a unique experience. The robust exhaust sound delivers sportiness at every turn. The design of this motorcycle says it all. It's where style and efficiency meet. Now, the Fazer F15 Connected has become even more robust with a new engine spoiler previously only offered on larger displacement sport motorcycles. The imposing lines of the tank and the air intakes, together with the optical set with projector, position light and LED taillight, reinforce the know of this genuine Fazer F15. It has ABS at the front, disc brakes on both wheels, monocross suspension, wide tires and much more. Discover the freedom of riding a motorcycle that combines style, efficiency and innovation. The two-level seat on the Fazer F15 Connected is wide and offers plenty of space and comfort for the rider and passenger to ride without having to worry about when it's time to get home. The monocross suspension is a chapter in itself. Impressive absorption on any obstacle and stability on every curve. Just ride it to understand that the Fazer F15 is much more than a motorcycle. It doesn't stop there. Now the Fazer F15 Connected, as the name suggests, is connected. It features Bluetooth connectivity with the Yamaha Motorcycle Connect app. At Connect, with it, you can manage usage and performance indicators, schedule maintenance, compare the most efficient driving mode, identify the last place where the vehicle was parked, and also mark and share the most interesting photos you have taken on social media. The panel is still 100% digital and now indicates when you receive a call or message and monitors your cell phone's battery. It also has a new 12-volt socket, which ensures the convenience of recharging your cell phone at any time. So you'll never be left without a battery on your cell phone again, right? And now, which one suits you best? Racing Blue, Yamaha's unmistakable metallic blue matte green, which is an incredible matte green paint. Magma Red, a red and metallic color, or titanium gray, this gorgeous color inspired by the strength, versatility, and technology of titanium. Is so beautiful, right? In addition, with the Fazer F15 you also benefit from the 3-year warranty and fixed price revisions, reinforcing all our Japanese tradition and quality and taste. New Fazer S15 Connected, more connectivity, more complete, and much more motorcycle.